Okay. My kids are... Go up to the top.
I can't get this all the way up there. This is not my way.
Dig your toes in. You can do it.
You try digging your toes in.
Climb up the brushy stuff.
Mom, my eye hurts.
What?
It hurts my eye.
Hold on.
Can
Look at me.
Get up there.
Look. Which eye?
This one, when I'm closing.
Better?
Looks better.
Okay.
If you want that thing up there, you do it at home like this. I can't get that thing up there.
All right.
Are you going up mud? He's doing it for the money.
Oh, I know you didn't say that.
Getting money?
No. Mason's just talking.
He's going to send us into AFB.
Maybe.
And we're getting money?
You never know. Get up there, Benjamin.
Don't go in the thorns.
You don't have to go up there at all.
Oh, yeah. I think we got it.
Okay, here in Charlotte, we have orange clay, which is very slick. We've had a lot of rain in the last few minutes. Oh yeah, that's good. The kids were out here playing on the mud pile.
Go ahead down your side. I can't wait. Okay, that was a bad try. I want to go.
Try it again.
I'll go with Mason. Wait, hey, you watching?
Yeah. Try it again, Benjamin. Look at the little butt marks.
His side.
They're wearing underwear, but at this point, I don't think it matters.
He doesn't. Hey, don't ruin my slide. I'm sorry. I'm going down. We're coming with me. Let's move.
Go for it, Mason. That was good to get rid of, yeah.
How about on my stomach?
If you want to.
I'm going to try my back first.
Can you get up there, Benjamin?
Yeah.
Go on, climb up.
Me?
Yeah, you. One more good run. Come on.
Don't push me. Oh, you go first.
Come on.
I can't wait for this. There you go. Come on, Benjamin.
Oh, what a good big brother.
Something hit me when I was coming down.
All right.
There we go, Benjamin. Okay. All gooped up and ready to go.
Go.
Ow!
What happened?
Something hit my buttock.
Something hit your buttock?
Ow!
Come here, let me see.
Benjamin, are you wearing underwear?
He is, but at this point, I don't think it matters. Okay, I don't see. Where's it hurt? Right there? Okay, I really can't see anything but mud. Let's go take some showers. All right, little dude?